it seems like there's very few avenues for a timeshare owner to actually truly get out of their timeshare. Now, two of the common ones that we always used to encounter were, or still do, is, oh, I can just sell my timeshare, or I could put it up on eBay. But truth be told, how easy is it for somebody to actually just sell their timeshare or to get rid of their timeshare on their own? Is it as easy as they think it is? Or
Yeah, no, it's not. And this is another situation that you and I have talked about quite a bit is, buyer beware, is that if a company is soliciting you to list or sell their timeshare, that's kind of a red flag for me. The fact of the matter is that most timeshares, and again, as I've said repeatedly, not every developer is the same, but in most cases, the timeshare is not going to be worth what you paid for it. And so a lot of these clients are under the illusion that they're going to actually make money, or there's some sort of equity in their purchase, and that's just not the case. And if you go on eBay, if you go on some of these various listings that timeshare resale companies get people to partake in, it's not what they think, not what they think at all. So a lot of times in our interaction with clients, we need to let them know that just so we're not a resale company, and we're not going to rent or lease out your timeshare. We're only interested if the client wants to obtain resolution. So that's part of the process of just educating them as to what's out there.